If I get 2 weeks to reverse fatty liver, I would do these 5 things. Skip any point, then you'll never know what matters the most. Number 1, avoid juice, sugary drinks, even smoothies, because they contain a lot of calories with no fiber. They can spike blood glucose levels instantly and stored as glycogen in the liver. When this glycogen is not utilized by the body as fuel, then this converts into fat and causes fatty liver, the reason you're watching this video for. So throw away all those juices and don't make smoothies for breakfast. You can enjoy your smoothies in the evening or after your workout session, just don't take it as your first meal.
2. Increase fiber in diet along with water. Soluble fiber removes bile from the liver and forces the liver to use cholesterol to make more bile. In this way, your fatty liver reduces. So please have a fiberful option in your every meal. Trust me, it helps a lot. And yeah, don't forget the water, because you don't want to struggle in the bathroom if you only consume fiber and forget about the water. Water and fiber work as a partnership deal inside your body and helps to pass the stool in the morning easily. So if you add fiber, drink at least 4 liters of water throughout the day. Don't gulp it all at once.
3. Avoid high-carb diet in breakfast. Generally, people take juices in the breakfast. As I discussed earlier, that I would definitely avoid juices to reduce fatty liver immediately, so they are a clear no. Also, those pancakes, oats, peanut butter with bread that you eat in your breakfast is a big no as a breakfast option for me. Now, you might be thinking why this guy is saying no to oats, as oats are rich in fiber. I'm not saying a complete no to your oats, but pair your oats with some protein source. Then you can enjoy it in your breakfast. But eating a bowl full of oats with little milk and a lot of sugar is not the healthy way of having oats. You can make overnight oats by adding yogurt to 4 tablespoons of oats, keep it in the fridge for night, and in the morning take it out from the fridge, leave it for 10 minutes so that it could come down to normal temperature. I don't want you to get brain freeze early in the morning. Meanwhile, you could chop a fruit, like half banana, or 4 or 5 strawberries, or 1 apple, or 4 or 5 raspberries. Dunk it onto the top of your oats bowl and mix it well. Then have it. Ta-da! This is your healthy oats bowl.
Now come to the 4th point, which is reducing weight. Yes, you heard it right. One of the main reasons behind your fatty liver is your extra weight. Let me put this straight. Watch as many hacks you like on YouTube to reduce your fatty liver. If your body weight is more than required, you're not going to end that fatty liver of yours. You don't know, but your liver is trying hard for your survival. Reducing weight matters the most for reducing fatty liver. So take this advice and work on yourself. Get that body in shape which you'll like to flaunt. Because it is not about who body shames you or not. It is about your health. A fit and healthy body gives you confidence of longer life, free from physical and mental exhaustion. So yeah, put some effort and reduce your weight. I'll help you throughout your journey. For that, you need to subscribe to me so you can watch my upcoming works in which I'll give you more health insights.
5. The protein. All the 4 points that I've told you by now are the ways to reduce fatty liver. And your liver doesn't only need to reduce fat percentage, but it also needs to rebuild healthy liver cells. Protein contains amino acids, which are building block of each and every cell of our body. So to help your body to remake those healthy liver cells, you need to take a good source of protein in your diet. If you ask me what I would take, I'll say low-fat dairy. Yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, soya, peas, beans, lentils, nuts, chickpeas. Oh, I love chickpea hummus. Comment if you like it too. And for my non-vegetarian friends, egg whites as priority. Grilled chicken or fish, only white meat. No beef, no pork, no red meat, along with all the vegetarian sources. Now, by watching this video, you might also want to know some weight loss tips. Worry not, I've made a video about that too. Go watch it, and I'll be back with another video about another health insight. You can also suggest me some topics in the comment section, which I can cover in my upcoming videos. See you all. Signing off.